Yes, better recite the du'as for seeking knowledge.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدني علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا.
Okay, mashallah. Okay, we'll quickly see the problems on the probability. Okay, come on, again, let's revise. What's probability, Abdurrahman? Probability is nothing but number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. Okay, we have the questions here. Come on, read this question for me, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, read this for me, Vita.
There are 5 green and 7 red balls. 2 balls are selected, one by without replacement. Find the probability
that the first is green and the second is red. How will you do this, Abdurrahman? How will you solve this? What did I say yesterday? If there appears an and in the question, then what you have to do is you have to multiply it, right? Multiply 2 of the probabilities. Right, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Okay, now please solve this question. How will you solve it? Find the probability that first is green. First, let's find the probability for the green color.
The first is green and the second is red. Okay, so first we plus them up, which equals to 12.
Yes, excellent.
12, and then
we check the probability for the green first. So it is
5. So it will become 5 over 12.
Excellent. This is the probability for the green. Then the next question they've asked is the second is red. Okay, you have to find the probability of red. So it is 7 over.
It will be 7 over 12.
Yes, excellent. We have 2 of this. Then the question they have given is the probability that the first is green and the second is red. So what you have to do, and if there appears an and in the question, what you have to do is you have to multiply. You have to multiply both of the probabilities, right, Abdurrahman?
Don't we add them up? Don't we have to add them?
No, we have to add them if they'll ask you or in the question, okay? If they'll ask you, find the probability that the first is green or the second is red. Okay, if instead of and they have told you to if they have told or in the question, then you have to add it. Okay, that's all. This basic thing you have to remember. And ka matlab you have to multiply, and or if it is given, then you have to add up. That's all. Okay, now how will we multiply it, beta? 5 by 12 into 7 by 12. What is the answer?
That is 5 times 7 equals to 35. 35 of 35 over 12 times 12 equals to
12 square is 144. So it is 35 over 144. Okay, yes. This is your answer. Chalo, we'll see the next question. Okay, what is the probability of getting a sum of 7 when 2 dice are thrown? Abdurrahman. What is the probability of getting a sum of 7? When 2 dice are thrown. Let's write the sample space in which you will get 7. 6, 1 if you'll have, then you'll get 7, right? Or 1, 6.
7.
1, 6.
1 plus 6, 7.
Then
2
what
plus
else?
5.
Yes, excellent. 7. Then, or it can be 5, 2. Then it can be 4, 3. Or it can be 3, 4. Or beta, what more you can add?
Or to get 2 and 6. No, 2 and 5.
It's already done.
We already have that.
Yes.
5.
3, 4, 4, 3 done. 3, 4, 4, 3 done. Then 5, 1 is done. 5, 2 is done. Yes, 5, 2, 2, 5 is done. 6, 1, 1, 6 is done. So how many sample space? How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5, 6. So it is 6 over how much, beta? If 2 dice are thrown, how much total number of this much you will get? 6 into 6, right? What is 6 into 6?
36.
36. So the total sample space will have 36 number of numbers in this. Outcomes. Okay, so outcomes, 36 outcomes. So it is 6 over 36 is the answer. What is 6 over 36, Abdul Rahman?
6 over 36 equals to 1 over 6.
Yes, this is the answer, final answer. Okay, that's all. 1 over 6 is your answer. Chalo. Okay, the question, next question, Abdurrahman. Come on, read this for me. Abdurrahman,
Yes.
read it, beta.
The percentage of marks obtained by
A student in the monthly test are given below.
monthly tests are given below.
Yes.
Based on the above table, find the probability of students getting more than 70% marks in a
Percent in the
test.
mark. Yes. In how many tests did the student score above 70%, beta? Test 2, test 3,
Test 3,
and
test
test 5.
5.
So it is 3 tests over how many tests, beta? Total number of tests.
Over 5 tests.
Yes, this is your answer. It is 3 over 5. In percentage, if you want to write the probability in percentage, can you please write this down in percentage? How would you write this in percentage? 3 over 5?
Second.
You'll write a 0. You'll add a decimal point. You do not have to add point here. You just have to add 0 here, Abdurrahman. Here you just add 0, okay? So 5 how many times is 30? 5 6 times is 30. So it's 0.6 in the decimal format or 60 percentage in the percentage format. So there is a 60% chance, or there's 60% chance of getting more than 70% marks. Okay. Okay, there's another question here, beta. Come on, read it. Two players, Sangeet and Rashmi, play a tennis match. Okay, the probability of Sangeet winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability that Rashmi will win the match? You know, I have already told you. Did I?
So it's out of 100. Wait. So it's out of 100. So we did.
It is 62%. Yes, yes, yes. Excellent.
100 minus 600 minus 62.
Yes.
0, 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 6, 3, 0. 39.
It is 38.
0.39.
It is 38. 10 minus 2
38,
gives you
38.
percentage. The chance of winning Sangeet winning is 62 percentage, and the chance of Rashmi winning is 38 percentage, which also can be written in the format of decimal as 0.62 and 0.38. Okay, this is your answer. 0.38 is your answer. Okay, alhamdulillah. Chalo, we'll just read this question, beta.
A bag has the following 10 colored stones in it. There are 2 red stones, 2 blue stones, 3 green stones, 1 orange stone, and 2 purple stones. What is the probability of 1 orange stone?
Yes, what is the probability of an orange stone? That you pick of orange stone. What will you do here, Abdurrahman?
First I think you have to add them up.
Yes, first you have to add them up. You have to see how many total number of colored stones are there in the bag. Yes, but what's the answer? 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2.
Wait, no,
So,
it already shows that
yes, it's
how many
already
there
given.
are.
Yes, it's already given. It's 10, right? It's given that it is 10. Total number of the colored stones are 10, correct. So 10 is written in the denominator. Now what should be written in the numerator, Abdurrahman?
Okay, so it's what's the 1 over 10?
Yes, it is 1 over 10, or you can write it in the point format as decimal format as
0.01.
It is not 0.01, it's just
0.1.
0.1.
0.1.
Or what is the percentage, beta? It is nothing but
10%.
1% or 10% into 100. It is,
10%.
yes, it's 10%. Excellent. It is 10%. So let's see the next question. Okay. Come on, read it, beta. Abdurrahman, read it for me.
Yes. Tickets number 1 to 20 are mixed up with the ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ticket drawn has a number which is a
Which is
multiple
a
of
multiple
3
of
or
3 or
5?
4, 3 or 5. First, we'll see what is the multiple of 3. Okay. How many multiples of 3 are there, beta? First, 3. In numbers 1 to 20, how many multiples of 3 are there? 3 and
3, 6. There are 6.
3, 6, 9, 12,
12, 15, 18.
15, 18. So we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it is 6 over. What is this 6 over how much, beta?
6
6
over
over?
20.
Yes, excellent. This is the first thing, multiple of 3. Then they have asked you multiples of 5. Let's try the sample space for multiples of 5. 5, comma
4. There are only 4.
10, comma 15, comma 20, right? So it is 4. So it is 4 over 20, correct? Now the question they have given is or, right? If they'll mention you or what you have to do is you have to add both of the outcomes, beta. They have told you or, right? The multiple of 3 or the multiple of 5. Okay? If they have given you or in the question, then you have to add this both of the results. Come on, tell me what this is the addition of 6 over 20 plus 4 over 20. 20 is common in the denominator, you write 20 as it is, right?
Yes.
Then what is in the numerator? What comes in the numerator now?
10 over
6 plus,
20.
yes, it is 10 over 20. What is 10 over 20 in the decimal as well as percentage format? Come on, write it for me.
0.5 and 50%.
It is 0.5 and 50%. Excellent, excellent. Okay, there's a 50% chance to get multiple of 3 or multiple of 5. Okay, now let's see the next question. In a box there are 8 red, 7 blue and 6 green balls. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the probability that it is neither red nor green? Neither red nor green. Come on, Abdurrahman, this is a very easy question. Abdurrahman?
There are 8 red, 7 blue, and 6 green balls. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the probability that it's neither red nor green? So
It should
first we
not
have to
be
add
red.
them up. 8 plus 7 equals to 15. 15 plus 6 equals to 21. So then we
Yes.
do 21 minus 6 equals to 15. 15 minus 8 equals to 7. So 7 is left.
So it is 7 over.
7 over 21.
Yes, excellent. This is your answer. Why is it so? Neither red nor green. You just have to cancel the red and the green. What is left out is 7 blue balls. So it is 7 over 20. 7 over 20 is written in decimal format as.
1 over 3.
It is 1 over 3 as a simple proper fraction. Now tell me how will you write this in the decimal format? Divide 3 with 1. Yes, beta. Excellent. 3 times is 9. When remaining again, so it is 0.33333. It is nothing but 33.333 percentage. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Okay. The next question. What is the probability of getting the sum 9 from 2 throws of a die? Okay, if you're going to throw the dice 2 times, then what is the sample space formed? Abdurrahman, 6 into 6 is 36. So you have 36 total sample space at first. Okay. Next, we will see how many times you will get sum of 9.
Wait, Miss, your voice is breaking.
What about it now? Is it fine?
No, it's still breaking now.
Okay. Yes, it's fine now, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, is it fine? I can't hear you actually. Okay, come on, solve this problem for me, beta. Abdurrahman, solve this problem. Now?
Yes, now it's like a bit more clearer.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Come on, solve this problem, beta.
Okay.
Solve this problem, please.
What is the probability of getting a soft knife from 2 throws of a dice? Okay. You can get 6 and 3.
First, the total number of okay. First, you'll write the sample space 6,3.
6 and 3. You can even get
3 and 6.
3 and 6.
And what more, beta?
3 and 6. You can get 5 and 4. You can get 5 and 4. You can get 7 and 2.
No, you cannot get 7 and 2.
Oh yeah, you can't.
5 and 4, 4 and 5. Okay.
Yeah.
You have 6,3, 3,6, 5,4, 4,5 as the 4 outcomes that give you the sum of 9. Okay. So what is the probability now? It is 4 over. Now tell me, what is the total number of outcomes when you throw 2 dice? One time you'll get 6, and another time it is 6 into 6. How many 6 into 6 is? How much is the 6 into 6?
36.
It is 36. So your sample space will have 36 total number of outcomes. So it is 4 over 36. What is 4 over 36, Abdurrahman? Come on, simplify it and write it in the percentage format as well as the decimal format.
4 over 36 equals to
4 1 times 4. How many times is 36? 1 over 9 is, what is the answer to 1 over 9? 9, 1 times is 9, 10 with 1 remaining. Again, it is
0.00111.
it is 0.1111. So it is 11.111 percentage, correct?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let's see the next problem. Okay, Abdurrahman, come on, solve this one. In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. A lottery is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a prize?
What is 25 blanks?
It is nothing but 10. They have kept 10 prizes and 25 blank things, and nothing in the prize list.
Okay.
So total number of things they have is 35 bonds in the lottery. So if they'll draw a prize, what would be the probability be then? It would
10.
be
10 over 35.
excellent. So it is 10 over 35. What is the answer? Write it down, please. The 10 over 35. How will you solve it? Write it down as a decimal format as well as a percentage format. 10 over 35. Excellent, excellent. It's 2 over 7. 6 remaining. How many times is 16? 7 8 ja 56. Again, how many remaining? 4 remaining, right? 40. So it is 28.7. How many times is 40? 7 5 times is 35. Again, 5 remaining. So it is 28.5 percentage. Excellent, excellent. Or you can write as 0.285 dash dash dash. This is your decimal format. This is your probability. Okay. Okay, excellent. Okay, the next question, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes, now please solve this. A bag contains 6 black and 8 white balls. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn, okay. Then what is the probability that you will have a white ball in it? Yes, Vita? Solve it on the screen or in the rough book and tell me the answer. What is the answer, Abdurrahman?
The answer is a bag containing 6 black. A bag contains 6 black and 8 white balls. One ball. Okay. 6 plus 8 equals to 14.
Yes?
And that equals to 8 over 14.
Yes, it is 8 over 14. Simplify it, Abdurrahman. 8 over 14. How will you simplify this?
You can simplify equals to 2 over, no, I mean,
2 4
4
times
over
is 8.
7.
2 yes, so it is 4 over 7. Yes. 4 over 7, write it in percentage, beta. Write 4 over 7 as a percentage format. So it is 7. How many times is 40? 7 5 times is 35. 5 remaining. So it is, yes, 7. How many times is 50? 7 7 times is 49. 1 remaining. Yes. So what is it, Abdurrahman? 57 percentage. 57 point something, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, excellent. So it is 57 point something percentage. Mashallah. Okay. The next question. In a box, there are 8 red, 7 blue, and 6 green balls. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the probability that it is neither red nor green? Did we solve this previously? Neither red nor green?
Yes.
Yes, we solved it, right? What you had to write was 7 over 10.
Can I just have like 1 minute, 1 second?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now solve this, Abdurrahman.
Two brother X and Y appeared for an exam. The probability of selection of X is 1 over 7, and that of B,
It's 2 over 9.
why is it B? Isn't it supposed to be Y?
Okay, it is Y. Y, yeah, is it Y?
So
Okay.
Y is 2 over 9. Find the
Probability that both
probability.
of them are selected. Both
This
of them
question is
is
getting me
selected.
mixed up because of the letters.
Okay.
The X.
Probability for the selection of X is 1/7. They have told you the
Wait, can we
probability
just
itself.
change the letter X to like John or something?
Okay, please. Okay, please do it. Probability of selection of the John is
I'll just do it
1/7.
for Max. Sam.
Okay, the Sam is
Sam and Jack.
okay. The probability of selection for the Sam is 1/7, and
Yes.
probability of selection of this Jack is 2/9. Okay. They have told you
Yes.
the probability itself here, bit. Okay, they have told you the probability itself. Now, in the end, they are asking find the probability that both of them are selected. Both of them are selected. What does this mean? Is both Jack, Sam, and Jack. Okay, it means Sam and Jack both are selected. So, what did I tell you? How to find the probability when they'll tell you and in the question when they tell you and if A and B, how will you find the probability? What you have to do is Abdurrahman, if they'll tell you and in the question, what will you write?
You will write
You have to
multiplication.
multiplication. Excellent. So it is a multiplication of two probabilities. One is 1/7 and another is 2/9. Correct? So what is the
Yes.
answer here, Abdurrahman? So what is the answer to this?
I don't know how to do it. Can you do it and show me it?
1/7 multiplied by 2/9. What is the answer? 1/7 multiplied by 2/9. How did you
So
do?
1
Have to
times 2 equals to 2.
yes,
7
excellent.
times
What
9 equals to 63.
yes, so this is the answer. Come on, write it and in terms of the decimal as well as in terms of percentage. Do it, Abdurrahman.
We
In
can't
terms of
simplify this, yeah?
yes, you cannot simplify this, but you can write it in percentage format.
Can you do this? I don't get how to do this one.
Okay, I'll solve this for you. What you have to do is 63. You're writing a decimal point here, so you'll carry out 0 here. So 20 is not again. It doesn't goes in the 63 table. So again, you'll carry out a 0 in the answer. So it is 200. 63. How many times is 200, Abdurrahman? 63 into 3. Let's see. Let's try this. 3 times is 9. 6 into 3. 18. 189. 63 3 times is 189. What is 200 minus 189, Abdurrahman?
200 minus 189. 100.
11. Okay, you have 11, and then so it is almost 3%, right? It is 0
Yes.
0.003, 0.003, or it is 3%. That's all, okay? If you want, you can continue here by adding zeros to 110. So it will become 63 into 1. So it is 3.1 percentage or 0.003. 0.031. Okay. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let's take the next question. Abdurrahman, come on, solve this.
If enrolls, if
Ifan. Okay, it's a name. It's a name. If enrolls.
okay. If one rolls a pair dice with sides labeled A, B, C, D, E, and F, what are the probabilities that the dice will land on a vowel?
Okay.
So the vowels in there are A, E, only these two letters.
Yes,
so that
there's
is
two.
2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 over 6.
Excellent. So it is 2/6. So the answer is 1/3.
3. So
Excellent.
equals to 33.33%.
33.33 percentage. Very good, but excellent. Okay. Also, the next question. Okay, come on. Max tested a coin to see whether it was a fair. The table shows the result of his coin toss experiment. Okay, he has 26 times he did was he got heads. Okay, and when he tossed 41 times he got tails. Okay, now what is the frequency of coin landing on heads? Abdurrahman, what is the frequency that you land on your head?
Max tested a coin to see whether it was fair. The table shows that the result of his coin was heads 26, tails 41. What is the relative frequency of the coin landing on heads? 20.
Is it 20?
No, 30, 30.
First, they have told you that the coins landing on head is 26, correct? You have to calculate the total first, and then you have to calculate the total number of experiments you did. How many total experiments did you do, Abdurrahman?
26
26.
plus 41
Yes, total number of
equals
experiments to.
67.
So total experiments that he carried out were 67, out of which how many did land on heads, beta? 26. This is your answer. 26 over 67 is your answer. So this is nothing but relative frequency of the coin landing on the heads. It is 26 over 67, correct?
Yes.
Okay, can you write it out down in the percentage format? 26 over 67. We'll do it. 67, how many times? 67 into 3, 7 3 times is 1 to carry 22 not 1. So it is 201 and 260. If you'll get 0 point, if you'll add a 0 here, then 67 3 times is 201. What is 201 minus 260? 260 minus 201. It is 59. Okay,
Yeah.
it is almost 30 percentage. Okay, 30 something percentage. Okay, or you can write the 0.3 something. Okay, there's another question here. Abdurrahman, come on, solve it. Read it for me, beta.
Yes. Arthur asked the students in his class whether they like maths and whether they like science. He recorded his results in the Venn diagram below.
Yes. Now tell me, the question here asked is, tell me those who did not like science. How many students did not like science? How
7.
many students did not like science? No. Abdurrahman, what you have to say is, you just have to, this is this one, the 7 plus 6 is the people who like the science, okay? 7 and 6. 7 plus 6 are the students who liked science. The rest of it are the students who do not like science. What are the rest of its students, beta?
I don't get it.
Okay, the question they have given here is, this is a Venn diagram. In this diagram, he had plotted number of students who liked science. This figure, this circle, the first circle, 7 plus 6 shows you how many like science, okay? And this circle shows you
No. Wait.
the middle,
Doesn't the middle one mean that
middle.
they like both?
Yes, they like both maths and science, okay? The outside one, this one shows do not like both, who do not like both maths and science. This 7 people did not like both maths and science, okay? Now what you want, the question they have asked here is, now tell me how many people do not like science. So what you have to exclude is, or you just have to exclude this much and write the answer. What is the answer? 9 plus 7. What is 9 plus 7? How much is 9 plus 7, Abdurrahman?
16.
Okay, 16 students did not like science. What is the probability now? 16 over total number of students. What is total number of students, Abdurrahman? 16 over
22.
Are you sure? 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7. No,
22.
it won't be 20.
Oh, no. Okay, I get it. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 16 plus 6 equals 22. 22 plus 10 equals 29.
So it is 16 over 29. This is the probability. This is the answer, okay? Understood? How will you calculate? How will you see the answer? There's nothing but you have to just see how many do not like science. How many do not like science is 16. And what is the total number of students? It is 29. So it is 16 over 29. That's all. Okay? MashaAllah. Okay, Abdurrahman, solve this, please. Two dice are thrown together. Okay? So now tell me how many numbers in the total sample space? 6 into 6, right? If two dice are thrown, 6 times into 6 times gives you 36. This is the total experiments, total number of this in the sample space, experiments in the sample space. Now the question, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the two faces is divisible by 4 or 6? Abdurrahman, first you have to write divisible by 4, probability for divisible by 4. Then you have to write the probability for divisible by 6. Okay? Abdurrahman, can you hear me out?
Yes.
Yes, now please solve this. Probability of the numbers that are divisible by 4, probability of the number that is divisible by 6. Sum of the numbers on the two of the faces, which are divisible by 4 and 6. Okay, first divisible by 4, let's start the sample space. Okay, 1 plus 2 gives you 3. Is it divisible by 4? No. 1, 3, 1, 2, no. 1, 3, 3. Okay, it is divisible by 4. 1, 3 is divisible by 4, right? What is the sum of 1 and 3? Abdurrahman. 1 plus 3 gives you. Abdurrahman, I cannot hear you. You have muted your microphone.
1 plus 3 equals to 4.
Yes, 1 plus 3 equals to 4, and 3 comma 1 gives you 4, right? The next thing, which are the divisible by 4? Which are the numbers that are divisible by 4? 2 comma
Miss,
4.
your voice is breaking.
Is it breaking? What about now? Is it fine?
Can you speak again?
Okay. Okay, now check the divisibility of 4 in all of the sample space. Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me which are the experiments that will give you a sum of the number that are divisible by 4.
3 and 1. I think there are 4 outcomes.
4 and 4, yes. 4 comma 4 gives you 8. 8 is divisible by 4, yes. Then what more, beta?
There's 6 and 6.
6 and 6 gives you 12. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. 6 and 6. What more? Just write out, beta. What is 5 plus 1 gives you 6? No, it won't be divisible by 4. And what more? And if you all try 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 6 and 8? Yes, 6 and 2 can be tried, right? 6 comma 2. 2 comma 6. Right, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes. What more, beta? What more? 3 and 3. 3 and 3? No, we cannot get 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 3 and something? No. 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 3 and 5. 3 comma 5.
Yeah.
Then 5 comma 3. Yes, this can be divisible. And what more, beta? 2
I think
plus.
that should be it.
That should be it. No, 2 comma 2. You did not write 2
We
comma
already
2.
did 2. Didn't we already do 2 and 2?
Yes, 2 into 2. 2 plus 2 gives you 4. 4 is divisible by 2, right? Then what more with Abdurrahman? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total we have 9. So 9 over 36 are divisible by 4. We have the next question, divisible by 6. Abdurrahman, write the sample space of the divisible by 6. Numbers divisible by 6.
There's 4 and 2.
Yes, excellent. 4 and 2, 2 and 4.
There's 3 and 3.
2 and 4. Excellent. 3 and 3.
there's 6 and 6 and
6, 6,
6 and
yes, 12.
6.
Yes, beta, yes.
There's
What
four.
more, Abdurrahman?
There's
You have to get
2.
6, 12. 4 and 2 is done. 2 and 4 is done. 3 and 3 is done. 3 is done. 6 is done. I think this much is enough, I think. Do you have more? Do we have more, Abdurrahman?
No.
So it is 4 over. Was it Advaita? What it is? It is 4 over 36, right? So divisible by 4 is 9 over 36 and divisible by 6 is 4 over 36. Now what in the question what they have asked you, Abdurrahman? Or they have asked you or, right? If it is or in the question, then what you have to do is add both of this, correct? So what is the answer, Abdurrahman? 9 over 36 plus 4 over 36. Abdurrahman, can you please tell me the answer?
Over 36.
It is?
13 over 36.
Yes, it is 13 over 36. Excellent. It is 13 over 36. That's all. You can further write, simplify it. Okay, 13 over 36. Can you please simplify this?
That equals to. It equals to 1 over 2.
Yes, excellent. 13 one times, 13 two times. So it is 1 over 2. So what is it, beta? It is 50%, right? 50% or 0.5. Right, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The next question. Come on, solve this.
Okay. In a class of 30% of the students offered English. In a class, 30% of the students offered English. 20%
20%.
offered Hindi and 10% offered both. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that he offers English or Hindi?
English or Hindi. Okay. What does this mean? Or ka matlab hota hai, you have to add 2 percentages here. Which 2 percentages will you add, Abdurrahman? English.
English and Hindi.
Yes. What is the answer? 20 plus 30.
10%.
20 plus 30. So it is 50%, right?
Yeah, 50%.
So 50% have offered both of it, right? If you want to write it in the probability format, how will you do it, Abdurrahman? We have to write it in the
50%.
fraction. Without writing it in the percentage format, let's just write these things in the probability format, like that of the fraction format. Now, first tell me how many students have offered English. It is 3 over 100, 30 over 100. The first fraction format, it is 30 over 100, right? 30 out of 100 students have offered English. Then 20 out of 100 students have offered Hindi, correct?
Yes.
10 out of 100 students have offered both, right? Now the question they have asked is how many of them have offered both English or Hindi? What you have to do is you have to just add this up. 30 plus 20 gives you 50 over 100. This is your answer.
Wait,
50 over 100.
Miss?
Yes.
Do you know how to do tree diagrams for probability?
Do you have that in your syllabus?
Yeah, we have that in the syllabus. Do you know how to do tree diagrams?
Yes, we can give it a try if you have it now. Okay, Abdurrahman, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, we were here. The question they have asked here is tree diagram are used to display all the possible outcomes from a simple chance experiment, right? Okay, now we will solve this. The James Dooley is Bald Masters by 007. Okay, 0077.
Yes.
He is a master of disguise and is planning to use up 4 items for his disguise today. Show all the possible combination that James could use by drawing a tree diagram. The items are a mustache, a hat, a beard, a glass. Okay, how will you do this, Vita? It's quite easy actually. What he's been using here is first he needs to use a mustache that starts round. Okay, if he has a mustache and if he has a no mustache. If he has a mustache, then what he can carry out, Vita? He can carry out a beard.
Yeah,
He
you can
can
have
carry it out.
a. Okay,
He
so
can.
he needs a mustache. You're telling me
Yes,
that.
yes. He needs a mustache. First, a
Okay,
mustache is
so you can have
compulsory.
a beard. So you can have a beard.
Yes, he can have a beard or no beard. No
Yes.
beard. Okay, he can have a beard or no beard. If he wears a mustache, if he has a mustache and a beard, then what are the possible combinations? He might have a hat. He might
And he
not,
might
not
not
have a
have a
hat.
hat.
Not have a hat. If he has a hat, then he might have a, what's left out, beta? Glasses. He might have a
Glasses.
glasses or he might have no glasses. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, if he has no hat, he might have glasses with no hat, and he might have no glasses. Okay.
But can I just write it down in my worksheet too, like
Yes.
while you're
Yes,
doing how
please.
you?
Yes,
Okay.
but yes. So with the mustache, he might have a beard or no beard. If he has a beard, then he might have a hat or no hat. If he has no beard, then again the outcomes are hat or no hat.
Beard.
If
No beard.
hat, no hat, again hat, no hat, again he might have a glass and he might not have any glass, no glass. And he might have, if with no hat, he might have a glass. Without any hat and without any hat, he can have no glass as well.
Wait, what does that say? This one over here,
Which one, beta? It is a
the one that I
glass,
just
glass and
glasses.
no
Okay.
glass. Glasses, no glasses. With a hat, he might wear a glass. With a hat, he might not wear a glass. The next question, next one is without any hat, he might wear a glass, and without any hat, he might not wear a glass.
So no hat is glasses or no glasses.
Yes, no hat with glasses and also the no glasses.
Okay. So how about for no beard? Okay. Now how about for no beard? Hat or it's the same thing, yeah?
It's the same thing, right? No beard with hat, no beard without hat. No beard and no hat. With if he has no
Hat,
beard
no
and
hat.
no, then no glass,
Glass,
glass, no glass.
glasses or no glasses.
Yes, he can wear a glass or he cannot wear a glass. These are all the combinations that he can do, right?
Yes.
Yes. The same thing. The next question. No mistake. The same thing goes on, beta. You can write it as a beard, or you can write the glasses as in the first place. You can write the glasses in the first place.
So no mustache. Well, so no mustache is beard or no beard, yeah?
Yes, no mustache with beard or without beard. No beard. He can have no beard as well. Okay, if he has no beard, then again we has
He
possible
has
chances.
beard. He might have hat or he might not have hat.
Not have a hat. Yes, beta.
Okay. Hat. No
You know,
hat.
we can reverse this as actually. You can, instead of beard, you can write hat at first. Hat, no hat. After hat, no hat, you can write beard, no beard. Beard, no beard. We can write it in any possible combinations, okay? You can have many possible combinations here.
Wait, can we just like move on to the second one because like
Yes.
you might.
Yeah, it's time actually. Chalo, next one is our new neighbors have 4 children. We wanted to know whether they were boys or girls. Create a tree diagram to show all the possible combinations of boys and girls. If the first combination is, if the first child is boy and the first child is a girl, what is the next combination that second child is, beta?
It might be a boy or it might be a girl.
Yes, it might be a boy or a girl. And what is in this one, beta? If it is a girl, if the first child is a girl, what can be the second child? It can be again boy, it can be again girl. What is the combination? If the first child is a boy, second child is a boy, what can be the third child? Again,
The
a boy
third
or
child.
can be a boy or a
Boy
girl.
or girl.
Yes, if the first child is a boy, the second child is a girl, what is the third child can be? It can be a boy and a girl again. Again, this can be boy and a girl. Again, this can be a boy and a girl. Correct, beta?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
I'm done.
What can be the fourth child now? Again, you have to write boy or a girl, boy or a girl, boy or a girl in this way. Will you write it, Abdurrahman? Each has
Yeah, I'll do it. I know
another
how to do
two.
it now. Can we end the
Yes.
class now?
Yes, beta. We are almost time. Okay, jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum
Yes.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a good night. Sleep well. Fi amanillah.